fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Come on in.
Welcome back.
Hey guys.
We are at Endless Summer Surfside.
We are. I'm so impressed. It's so nice here.
And we thought we'd show you around the room a little bit.
Absolutely.
I love the colours.
It feels really beatsy.
Yeah, it does. So you walk in, there's the door.
Yep. Big mirror. I love
Yeah.
that.
And a little bit of space here.
A lot of space.
Yeah, a little bit of space. And then...
The floor looks amazing.
Yeah, it is nice. An ironing board and a
Love that.
safe.
Yeah.
Extra pillows and a blanket, I think.
Yeah.
This lovely curtain.
To hide it all away. Thermostat. Turn that down.
Let's work that down.
Yeah.
We've been on a hot flight. Okay, and then in.
Oh, I love the chairs.
Oh, yeah. How
Oh,
cute.
that's nice as well.
Yeah. So we've just skipped all of this. So let's do that. A coffee maker.
Yeah.
And condiments. What is that? Sugar and stuff, I guess.
What's that? Coffee?
Yeah. Eat, sleep, surf. A phone and some little leaflety things. And then down here we've got a fridge.
Food storage. Bible. Nice and deep as well, aren't
They
they?
are deep. We've got a little
That's good for your makeup.
yeah, it's not near the mirror, but
Move that.
oh, I thought it would have a drawer in it. It looks like it would have a drawer in it. But yeah, nice chair, big bin. Nice chair there and a lamp.
What is that?
John demonstrating how lamps work.
Awesome view of the swimming pool.
Oh, it's a nice pool.
Yeah.
Is it shaped like a fish? Maybe a bit.
Maybe.
Oh, is it a surfboard?
It could be. Yeah, it's lovely.
Not a bad view.
Not at all.
I think those are Surfside rooms as well.
Yeah.
So we were quite lucky to be this close to reception.
Absolutely, you weren't that bad at all.
We've got the big chest there, which is good because you haven't got tables either side of the bed,
No.
but there is a big one in the middle.
I
And
love
it's
these
a-
lights. These lights are cool. How
Oh,
awesome are
yeah.
they? I love that.
Are they plugs or USBs? Is it one of each?
USB
One USB.
and one USB here as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
Bathroom. This is an interconnecting room. Oh, and in case you care, the aircon immediately is working.
Yeah, no, it feels lovely.
Nice bright mirror. Surf and sand soap. Some tissues, a hairdryer. Towels. A loo. Shower. Looks fine.
That'll do nicely.
And then also a conditioner and a shampoo and a bath bar. So, yeah.
That will do nicely.
Oh, and
Like
look
that.
at the tile on the floor.
I love this floor, this wooden floor.
Yeah. Yeah.
That will do nicely.
Definitely will. So we hope that was helpful.
Absolutely.
If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.